Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing another different kind of video. I'm going to be sharing with you some of my pets. I do have 20 plus geckos right now. We are kind of selling some of the babies that we have, but currently we have over 20 something geckos, so I'm just going to show some of them to you guys. I have one in my hand right now. Surprisingly, she's being pretty chill. So this is a gargoyle gecko. I have two types of geckos. That we have gargoyles and cresteds. This is a orange blotch gargoyle. It is not full grown. Now, honestly, if I had to say if I liked gargoyles or cresteds better, I would probably say I like the different variety and patterns and stuff, the morphs in the cresteds, but I think that the gargoyles are actually more chill, at least with the ones that we have. I don't know if we just have crazy crested geckos, but personally I just think the gargoyles are more chill when you hold them and stuff. I have a lot more gargoyles that I can hold in my hand than I do cresteds. So I'm gonna go put this one back and see if I can get another one to come out and see you guys. Okay, so I'm back and this time I have one of my crested geckos. I don't know how many of them I'm actually going to be able to show you guys because currently it's nighttime. So for nighttime for them, that's when they're active, that's when they're awake. So a lot of them are not in the mood to be held or messed with at all. But this is Reinhardt. I did show him in my last video. He did drop his tail. For them, dropping their tail is normal. Sometimes they do it if they're stressed out, frightened, startled. Sometimes they drop it just because. But yeah, Reinhardt dropped his tail. I'm not sure how old he is or anything. We got him as an adult, so this is as big as he's gonna get without his tail. Reinhardt, like I said, he's pretty chill. Most of my cresteds are not this chill. But this guy, he'll just hang out with you. We don't normally mess with our pets like this, our geckos. We don't normally have them chilling because there's so many of them. But if we do, Reinhardt's one of our go-to guys to take out of the tank. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to cut it short on the geckos. Like I said, it's technically their time where they're active and everything, so they're doing their own thing. They don't want to be bothered right now. Maybe Indy can substitute for them a little bit. But I do want to mention to you guys, I do manage a Facebook page for my geckos. So if you guys want to see all the different pictures of what we have, or would like to buy one from me eventually, go check out OK Gecko on Facebook. That's OK and then Gecko. And yeah, that's my Facebook page. I manage it. I upload everything. I do all of that. So if you want to check that out, please do. And hopefully you guys will be entertained by all of my pictures of our reptiles. So sorry that this was cut short. Give me a thumbs up if you would actually like for me to do a full-on introducing you to each gecko. I can totally do that, but I don't know if I will handle them in that video. I'll probably just go to each separate tank. But if you guys are interested in seeing that, let me know. Give it a thumbs up or leave a comment. And make sure you go check out my Facebook page, OK Gecko, if you guys are interested in any further details. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. Or see you guys soon.